Welcome back. In this video you can see I have a Lenovo monitor, which is a model is I believe E2410 is on a base stand. In this video I'll show you how you can remove this stand. First of all, we'll put in a flat surface and we'll try to remove this base plate. Just slightly push from the hole, and there is the button. You just slightly press it and this will come out. So this is how you remove the stand from your Lenovo E2410 monitor.